So, I acquired more shit. So, I will now be rearranging my room, sorting my room, and trying to fix the mess that I created of myself. Let's get my mini fridge. This happy monkey. Actually, probably. This shit is fucking dumb. Why do I put myself through this pain, misery, and exhaustion? I don't know. Maybe it's to keep my life from being boring, which would make sense. Because I'm a fucking nerd. Like, every fucking day. Nerd, me. Well, you have been lame. I hate to do this. These were good headphones. They just don't fucking work. They're like butter in a pan. You got a man? Yeah. Damn. I don't need this. Sick. So, now what? Oh yeah, I cleared the clutter. Now time for the butter. Oh shit. Ew. Okay. Now you go on your back. You get off my foot. This is a big ass mini fridge. Where's it breaking? Oh fuck, I have to rearrange more. Fudge. This is terrible. I'm gonna cry. Oh, I want music so bad right now, dog. It's not even funny. I'm never going to use this. Never. I'm never going to. I'm never going to use this. There. Oh shit. I have a lot of stuff. Me no like. Me too. So I got it in my room. Now the issue is... Okay, let me just show y'all. Anyways, so... This is the issue. Got a mini fridge, and I have a desk. But You see that point down there? They touch, and it conflicts with everything. And now I have to rearrange stuff and figure out how I'm gonna make that work. So let's pain. All I know is pain. God, I hate myself. Okay. What? No. Proud clear. So, I'm gonna have to rearrange my desk again. Let's go. Maybe fucking cry. I could do that too. That's easy. So I could sell my fucking cards. Why am I not doing these things? I'm friends with enough nerds. I'm sure someone will buy it. Not this though. Not that. I'll just give it to me. You can't sell that. Fuck you. Okay? Listen, I don't understand why everything wants to be so difficult for me right now. I'm literally one of the best people you will ever meet. I am God's gift to this world. That's not true. I'm kind of an ass. Well, I got my trash right there, so that's good. Why do I have so many cards? I don't understand. You know what? I can be real with y'all. I was just going to clean my room because I was going to have someone over. But then, my school was giving out, had like a mini fridge out in the hallway. And they were like, and my principal walked by and asked, "Hey, can I have that?" She said, "Sure. We're not going to use it." So now I have a mini fridge, which I should have thought of before, I said, "Sure, let me have that." I should have thought, hey, I don't have the room for anything right now, so don't. But I'm mentally incapable of not asking for something, it would seem. What are you? Excuse me. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, hey. Okay. I can't throw that away. That was a gift. Fuck. I need to stop being such a fucking hoarder. That'd be nice. Where am I gonna put this? Family and friends. That's not gonna fit there. Okay. To be fuck me sideways gently. Only gently. Because if it's roughly, I don't think I'll be able to walk. You know how deep shit goes when it's sideways? That shit is crazy. Not like I would know. Oh god. I fucking hate my life. Fuck. Oh god. Get up. Thank you. Now how do I close this again? You know, it would be really good if the instructions weren't fucking torn. Oh, just like that. We do this. Still want this though. That's the problem. You know what I should do first? I should put my mini fridge where it's going to be. That would probably be smart. I can have executive function, I think. Hopefully. Okay. Will it work like this? That's the question. No, it fucking won't. Then I can't get to my power. Fuck me. I need to work on my profanity. This is crazy. There's no shot I should be using this much. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a problem. I think this should work. Hello? Okay, it worked. Sick. Now, I need to base this entire area on the fridge. Because the fridge is the main fucking problem. Maybe I do it like this. And I move this son of a bitch. And I push it more that way. I gotta fit you right over here. Yeah, okay. Shit. The by Daylight just got done. I'm downloading. Sick. So, I'm not only doing this content, but I mean, if you guys want more content, please comment. Or you just like this. Like, I don't care. This is just to get my social anxiety away. Because I don't know how many people are going to watch this. It could be thousands. It could be 4. It doesn't matter. It's a lot of people, regardless. So, oh, I'm gonna kill myself. Come on, Ellie, you can't be this fucking stupid. Fuck you. Inner monologue. Fucking sucks. My inner monologue. Fuck you. Why am I so angry? I've got multiple brain issues. Sick. Now what? Move my chair back in. Probably do laundry. I need to do laundry. I still want those. Just don't know where I'm gonna fucking sit. Enchiladas. Ooh, that's a mix. Oh, goodness me. I'm such a stupid loser. Why? Why did I do this to myself? Fuck. Oh. I want the gay to be straight. Wait a minute. The gay to be straight. That's not how that works. Is this? Oh, fuck. Never mind. These are good cards. What am I doing? Got a Planeswalker. I got a 2/3. What the fuck? And I got a Hell of Land. Let's go 5/5. I don't know. When did I get this? Well, now I got good cards, so now I have to relearn the fucking game. Balls. I'm gonna have a breakdown. That's what it's gonna happen. Okay. One thing at a time. One fucking thing at a time, please. Enchiladas. Okay. Now what? What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's game day. Fucking Jesus Christ. I just pissed myself about 3 times over. Where this. Gotta wash. Did I? When am I? Gonna load? Okay, nice. Oh, shell. Personal hygiene break. Putting on deodorant. But so I'm gonna tell you all my plan. Okay. So I got a lot of shit. Probably too much shit. But I don't know what to do with a lot of the shit. So I'm either gonna just give it away or I'm gonna sell it. So, whichever one happens. I don't care. But I really badly need to get rid of shit. Like, really badly. Fucking Jesus. I don't even know what I have that would sell. Teddy bears? Hats? I don't fucking care. I just don't want a bunch of shit. PVC bow. Ooh, that might sell good. Crack. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Hi, Riley. Haha. Messing with the siblings. I want attention. That's why I go and harass my siblings. That's what all younger siblings are supposedly doing. I don't know. I don't know any other younger siblings. Youngest. I don't care anymore, man. I just. Oh, gosh. Why are you like this? Actually. So tired. So tired. I sumo wrestled in fucking my 5th hour. It was crazy. I didn't think I was going to wrestle, but as it so seems, I did. And I beat my larger friend once. My athletic friend, no, I still had a little bit of a chance. He picked me up and I wasn't expecting it. Like, I didn't think he could lift me, like, physically lift me above him and then put me outside. So I wasn't expecting it. But he just, whoop, whoop, and just dropped me. And then I faced one of the kids. I don't know how to say this without it sounding mean. I faced one of the kids that had, like, an issue here. But, I mean, he's cool still, but he was in one of his moods where he was, like, feral, like, really aggressive. So we were doing sumo, and, like, every time I would push him away, he would growl. It was weird. But it definitely happened. I won against him. But I really suck at stories, I just realized. Yeah. Essentially just fucking had fun. Did a lot of exercise. A lot of cardio. Same class, we had to run to the middle if it applied to us. Like, or it related to us. One of them was. It was really weird and dumb, and I did not like it. But it was fun, because cardio. But it happened. And I'm not complaining anymore. But it happened. And I'm not too mad about it. Because to be frank, I needed the exercise. Oh god. Did I just divulge into story time rather than cleanup time? God. So tired. So tired. And to be honest, I just want my fucking brother. He was going to pick up food. I want him to come back. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I didn't eat lunch. Oh god, I'm a mess. Well, anyways. Hey. PlayStation, stop having a fucking bitch fit. Fuck you. I'll fine, I'll go to Netflix. You wanna be a whiny little prick? I promise I don't have anger issues. Hang me by my ball. Okay. Now what? Get rid of that. Duck. So that for a second. Oh, this is a cute outfit. I want to fucking wear it. God damn it.
Don't do that. Packs of protection of local government force. Organized, methodical, first fight.
Alright. Let's go. Put this down. Oh. That's gonna be sick. Okay. Now what? You know what? I can live with this dysfunction for a little bit. I'll probably do another video. Sick! Man, I love doing these videos. They're fucking amazing. But I should probably Me and my brother are gonna play video games. So I should probably warm up so I can not be shit. Well, thank you for watching. Don't do crack, it's whack. Don't do drugs at all, because that will make you cringe. And don't get caught if you're gonna do something stupid. That's a good life lesson. Bye.